The project, Smart, Energy Efficient and Adaptive Port Terminals, sea terminals, co-funded by the European Union's Trans-European Transport Network Programme, is a market-sided innovation action focused on reducing the environmental impact of the European port industry by means of the implementation of low-carbon technologies and alternative fuels in port machinery and equipment. The Sea Terminals project comprises a consortium of public and private organizations of recognized reputation in the European port sector. With 10 partners and 4 implementing bodies, Sea Terminals involves public port authorities, private port operators, port equipment and engineering manufacturers, as well as reference innovation centers. The Sea Terminals action is based on the concepts developed in the successful Green Cranes project, co-funded by the Trans-European Transport Network, progressing further in deploying energy-efficient technologies and low-carbon port equipment prototypes under real operative environments. Sea Terminals addresses the integration of smart energy management tools designed to adapt port operations, minimizing energy consumption and GHG emissions on a dynamic and real-time basis. 3 prototypes have been developed for this purpose: the SEAMS platform, the development of the black box prototype, and the Sea Terminal dynamic illumination concept. The project is oriented to design, engineering and prototyping of low and zero emissions container handling machinery by taking advantage of ongoing industrial prototypes. As a result, 3 prototypes have been deployed and tested in real-life operations: a hybrid RTG crane equipped with an advanced energy storage system based on supercaps, as well as the Sea Reach stacker and the CMT container handler prototypes, both equipped with latest energy efficiency improvements and double mode of working. The Sea Terminals prototypes are based on alternative fuels such as liquefied natural gas, LNG, and zero-emission technologies, thus demonstrating feasibility for the market adoption of a new generation of low-carbon, efficient and adaptive equipment. In this context, 3 prototypes have been designed for this purpose: the Sea Electric Terminal Tractor, the Sea LNG Dual Fuel RTG crane, and a specific LNG supply mobile station for ports. The Smart Energy Efficient and Adaptive Management System SEAMS platform is a prototype developed at the Port of Valencia by Noatum Ports. This solution aims to monitor all the machinery and equipment involved in the container terminal processes, both from operational and energy perspectives. The SEAMS platform works together with a black box prototype, a combination of sensors and industrial computers which are installed in all the machinery of the container terminal, sending information to the SEAMS database in real time. The SEAMS platform is able to detect operative bottlenecks, identifying the machine involved and enabling the selection of a specific mode of working, depending on the particular needs of the terminal at any moment. The Smart Energy Efficient and Adaptive Terminal Dynamic and Illumination prototype aims to reduce lighting energy consumption during port operations, adapting and selecting the intensity of the lighting needs in real time, depending on the operations developed at a port container terminal. The CTDI prototype detects the machine's location and calculates its next position, providing appropriate lighting conditions in the area where the machine is performing operations. The CTDI has resulted in an 80% reduction of energy consumption compared to the previous lighting system installed. hybrid diesel generator (RTG) prototype has been tested within the Sea Terminals project. This innovative solution integrates an eco-efficient energy storage and management system based on supercaps, which store and deliver energy in each working cycle of the crane according to its demand. The HDG RTG tests performed in the Sea Terminals project showed a range between 60 to 70% of savings when compared to the RTG original design for each scenario. The smart, energy-efficient and adaptive reach stacker and empty container handler prototypes are state-of-the-art machines which included a high-performance Indico mode, start-stop system, tire pressure monitoring, full LED lights and improved truck telemetry systems. All these improvements resulted in a 25% reduction of fuel consumption in these prototypes in relation to existing machines. The smart, energy-efficient and adaptive electric terminal tractor prototype has been piloted in real-life trials at Noatum Container Terminal, Valencia. The electric terminal tractor prototype has demonstrated many advantages in comparison to diesel-powered terminal tractors, such as less maintenance, local zero emissions and a reduction of noise levels, thus improving the working conditions of dockers and port users. The real-life trials demonstrated that the electric terminal tractor is able to work during a single stevedoring shift. A 3-hour charging period is required to fully charge the battery pack. The Sea dual-fuel RTG prototype is a retrofitted diesel-powered rubber-tired gantry crane to dual-fuel LNG diesel RTG, tested at Interporto Amerigo Vespucci. The dual-fuel RTG crane has demonstrated a fuel consumption reduction of 23%, as well as reducing greenhouse emissions. The LNG mobile supply station is designed to provide LNG at height positions, and the mobile station can be easily lifted and moved by different types of trucks or machines. Special attention has been paid to the communication and dissemination activities. A total of 5 information and demonstration days have been organized during the project execution. The kick-off meeting conference, hosted by the Port Authority of Valencia and Fundación Valenciaport, took place on the 10th of December 2014. The Info Day conference in the Baltic region was celebrated on the 17th to the 19th of March 2015 in Gdansk, Poland, within the framework of the Transport Week. 2 public demonstration days have been organized at the ports of Valencia and Livorno. The first public demonstration day took place on the 26th of November 2015 in the facilities of the Noatum Container Terminal, Valencia. Following the demonstration in Valencia on the 18th of December 2015, a demo day took place at the port of Livorno. Finally, an Open Day Industrial Day was organized in Germany on the 22nd of December 2015. Moreover, the Sea Terminals project sponsored the first edition of the LNG Transport Forum, which was celebrated in the premises of the Port Authority of Valencia on the 14th to the 15th of October 2015. Apart from disseminating the results in events organized by the Sea Terminals Consortium, the action partners have also actively participated in several external events. Moreover, the Sea Terminals project has participated with its own stand in the exhibition of projects of the Trans-European Transport Network (TEN-T), organized in Riga, Latvia, within the framework of the 2015 TEN-T Days Conference. Nearly 200 articles and news have been successfully published between March 2014 and December 2015 in Spanish and Italian national publications, as well as in international specialized media of the transport and logistics sector. The Sea Terminals action has offered a unique opportunity for the port container industry to test cutting-edge innovative solutions based on mature technologies ready to be deployed in the market with low environmental impact. Alternative fuels and smart energy-efficient technologies have been analyzed in depth from the financial, environmental and technical perspectives, thus providing a new vision for port stakeholders on how the sector can face the challenge to reduce emissions whilst keeping or improving current performance and service levels at container terminals. The main achievements of the Sea Terminals project are: 1. The SEAMS platform, a first state-of-the-art monitoring tool able to locate operative bottlenecks in port container terminals. 2. The first implementation of a full electrical terminal tractor in port container terminals operating in real life. 3. Improvement of heavy-duty machinery energy efficiency with significant fuel consumption reduction. 4. Full deployment of the first terminal dynamic illumination system for port terminals worldwide. 5. Implementation and testing of the first hybrid RTG equipped with supercapacitors. 6. Development and testing of the first dual-fuel LNG diesel RTG worldwide. Sea Terminals has followed the path set by the Green Cranes project by taking a step beyond in testing the way to real sustainability in ports. The Sea Terminals action has served to facilitate and demonstrate the evolution of the European port industry towards a low-carbon emission operational model. All of this would not have been possible without the co-funding received from the TEN-T program and the strong commitment of all partners that have participated in the pilot actions. Sea Terminals, testing real sustainability in ports.